Hey everybody, this is Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. My seedlings were all dying. You can see here the whole middle row is gone and they're yellowed. Almost all of these are gone except for one little group. These ones died, the same plant as this. These are turning brown in the middle and peeling over. There's only one left. The others all bent over in the middle for no reason at all. I have no idea. That's borage. No idea what happened. This is the only... I dropped one tray on the ground. I'm so mad at myself because I'm fumbling around because of my injuries. But here's some rosemary. They all bent over and did the same thing and died. Very frustrating. Here, what is this? Rosemary bent over and died. So everything's dying. This is the best tray of anything I have. Here, two of these already died, just bent over and died. There's one left here. It's trying to grow. I was thinking it's probably not got enough light. So what we've done is taken Walmart LED lights and formed a garden in the house under the LED lights. Those are all Melanie's, whatever they are. I forgot to ask her. She's got her own foods here. Here is the tray I dropped. Only one thing didn't die. It didn't fall out, and it died on me anyway. Some random thing after I threw the dirt back in is growing, but I don't know what it is. I'll give it a chance. So these are four. I'm looking at the box. The one is 3,200 lumens and the other one is 45,000 lumens. I forgot which is which. And they are 5,000 K light color range, which I read is supposed to be alright for your plants. This is lemongrass that survived through the winter in-house, but baby cat got them. That's all that's left, but they did survive. So we're trying to nurse that back. And then Melanie has some things that have sprouted. Now already today, these were bent full over going to the light. And already today they're straightening back out after only a few hours with the LED lights. And you can see they're quite bright. If I unplug that light, I don't know which is which, it makes a difference. Now, it's still somewhat day out. That window is dark. That was behind a fridge forever. It's somewhat bright out still. But look down here. And it looks really ultra bright down here with the light on. Now I've got to tip this. The one didn't come with supporting chains and hardware, so I have to reattach it. I put on with some zip ties for now, but I have to find some chains for that and do it properly so it hangs straight. It should be more evenly distributed light over the plants, but for now it's hanging. But it already is making a difference here in straightening up her plants. So we'll see how it goes. Time will tell. I'm hoping that we can have a garden and start it indoors because our growing seasons are so short here. I want to mention that these are high light output, low power consumption. So we can run these on solar. And I've got an idea. They're only $18 a light. I pulled these out of my garage. They were intended to be for my garage. But because I was looking online and saw the temperature range was right for us, and they're $18 a piece and I can run them on solar. So when we get a greenhouse going out here, I'm probably going to run some solar panels and run some of these on cloudy or dark days. I got a package today in the mail and I want to open this on video Not because it's something you haven't seen, but because it's been demolished in a horrible, horrible way. And I want to open it on video for evidence. There's only one side that's not, well, even that's ripped. So I don't know what the condition of the contents are. Look at this. I mean, how do you do that? It's blown wide open. So I want to see the condition of the contents of this. It's one of those precision machines. Well, I don't know how precise it's going to be after being absolutely demolished like this. And what they did is just put a little piece of tape over it. I mean, how sad. How absolutely sad. Look, it's wide open right here. The box is wide open. And the bag has been ripped open. So I don't even know if my screws are going to be there and the clamps. And this will be rendered absolutely useless if those parts are missing. So we have to see if those parts are in here or not. But I can already tell the bag has been opened. The package has been opened. So I just don't know. It's a weird smell. I mean, seriously, I mean, this thing must have been completely out because it's not even in the bag. I don't know how precise it's going to be anymore. Look at that. It looks like they put something in a bag, which is also not closed. I mean, with the condition of that, well, maybe the parts are in, so they at least did put the parts bag in a bag. I wish I could see if I can lean down. My knee doesn't allow me to bend much. I'm going to have to go and see if all the parts are there at least. Let me see. Oh, it's plastic handles on this one. The other one was metal. Like I said, I had ordered from two different sellers. So we got, it looks like 4 bolts, 4 nuts. It looks like they're all there. Okay. That's a miracle that stuff survived. I think they had to put this bag in that other bag in order to keep the stuff from getting lost. Well, I don't know how precise it's going to be considering it was so badly smacked up. I mean, it still turns, but there's a lot of play. Oh wow, the stick-on dial indicator is off. There's a lot of play in this one when you start to turn it. Look, there's a lot of play before it starts to take tension up. That's a lot of play. That's an insane amount of play. See, I don't know if that's because of shipping or what, but that is a crazy amount of play in that thing. I'm really going to have to look it over. Oh yeah, this is going to be garbage. I feel sloppiness. Absolute sloppiness. I can hear it. This one is not going to be precise. The top table is loose. Yeah, there's sloppiness. I'm going to have to contact the seller. There's play in this one. Actually, this one is made of lower quality, I think. But, ugh, yeah, it's not going to be any good for precision work. It's absolutely floppy. the table wobbles up and down. I can see if I can adjust the screws, but absolutely I would say that's damage in shipping. I can see the motion. It's a millimeter of motion, which for precision work is absolutely unacceptable. Yeah, there's a millimeter of motion. Not acceptable. Well, anyway, there's that. Alright guys, well, I'm not getting a lot accomplished these days because of my injuries, but I'll try to get you a video as much as I can, and that's what I did today. I opened a package. Still healing, still taking my time. Well, I did get the plants put up today. Melanie put up the shelves and put her plants on, and I did the lights. So that's it for today, guys. That's Troy from the Do It Yourself World and the Off Grid Project. Talk to you all later.